In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send free email with Sendgrid. We'll walk through the exact process inside the Sendgrid dashboard so you can create and send a professional email campaign without getting lost in the menus. Go ahead and log into your Sendgrid account, and once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar. There, you'll see a section labeled Marketing. Click on Marketing to open up the marketing tools you'll be using for this email. Within the marketing section, you'll find an option called Single Sends. Single sends are one-time email campaigns, perfect for newsletters, announcements, or any one-off message you want to send to your audience. Click on Single Sends, and then look to the top right corner of the screen for the Create Single Send button. Click that to start building a new email. The first thing Sendgrid will ask you to do is select a template. You have a few choices here. You can pick a pre-built Sendgrid design if you want something ready-made. You can choose one of your own saved templates if you've built emails before, or you can start with a completely blank template for full control. Choose whichever option best fits what you're trying to send. Once you've chosen your template, select the Design Editor. This is the drag and drop editor that makes it easy to customize your email without writing any code. Before designing the content, it's a good idea to configure the basic settings so everything is set up properly. Switch over to the Settings tab. Here, you'll fill out 3 important pieces of information. First, choose the From Sender. This should be a verified sender email in your Sendgrid account. Using a verified sender improves deliverability and makes sure your email doesn't look suspicious. Next, enter your subject line. Try to keep it clear and relevant so recipients immediately understand what the email is about. Finally, choose your recipients by selecting the lists or segments you want to send this email to. Lists are broad groups of contacts, while segments allow you to target specific subsets, like engaged users or customers from a particular campaign. With the settings configured, go back to designing the email. Use the drag and drop tools in the Design Editor to add text blocks, images, buttons, and dividers. Take a moment to check how everything looks on both desktop and mobile previews so your design is readable and clean. When you're happy with your email and your settings, click Review Details and Send. On this final screen, confirm the sender, subject, and recipients. From here, you can either send the email immediately or choose to schedule it for a later date and time. Once you confirm, your free email in Sendgrid is ready to go.